Want to see how you can create professional AI-powered image in just minutes? Let me show you how simple it is with PictureMe AI. Step 1. Upload clean photo of your face. Don't worry, you don't need studio lighting or anything fancy. Just normal photo works great. Step 2. Pick your style. PictureMe AI has tons of options: business headshots, castle looks, creative backgrounds, and even trending outfit. You just click the one style you like it. Step 3. Let's AI work its magic. In just seconds, and you get multiple professional realistic image, no prompts, no confusing setting, just click and done. And the best part, you can create limited image, you will get commercial writing, and you only pay one time, no monthly fees. So, if you want to save time and money, and get visuals that actually makes your brand stand out, grab PictureMe AI today. Well, it's still one-time payment. Click in the link in description and start creating your first image right now.